We're actually going to go ahead and show you the spill resistance capabilities of our units. And as of right now, I just want to go ahead and show you the touch that it is responding. And I'll go ahead and show you the MSR. And I'll actually even show you the fingerprint here. Just to go ahead and give you proof that everything is actually working the way it should right now. So what I'm going to go ahead and do here is I'm going to go ahead and dump some water onto this system. As you can tell here, we got a nice big thermos here of Posiflex water, and we'll just go ahead and dump this all over the system here. And then we'll go ahead and do another touch test here. As you can tell here, it's still actually following my fingers. And I'll go ahead and show you an MSR swipe. So we'll do 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I'll go ahead and show you the fingerprint here. And as you can tell there, everything is actually still working extremely well with our units. As you can tell also that the water is actually being shoved off of the unit. It's actually being, put down. So it actually disperses all the water off of the unit itself. So now what we'll go ahead and do here is we'll actually do standard cola. We'll pour it all over the system also. And then we'll pretty much just repeat the same process again. As you can tell, you can actually see the cursor still following my finger. And then we'll show you the fingerprint. Fingerprint still showing up there. And then we'll go ahead and show you the MSR here. So do 1, 2, 3, 4. And we'll do 5 swipes there. So as you can tell, still everything's actually showing up properly, and the system is still responding correctly.